Kambiini cia kuhuranira giturwa kia president ikoretwo ciakiriirie mbere ya githurano kiria giatabanirio kiumia kihituku ni undu uracungiriirie ikundi tiganite kwigiritania na atongoria amwe. Ngwataniro ya Maendeleo ya Wanawake iri imwe ya ngwataniro iria ireyumiritie ikioneka kuhurira ndebe ngwataniro ya Azimio la Umoja hamwe na Raila Odinga. Ona kuri uguo riu ngwataniro eno nionanitie itanya ria gucenjia murugamo wayo umuthi ikionania itanya ria kunyita mbaru thirikari iri ikuoya matamu ma wathani undu ria yugite uraheo ihinda ria waraniria.
We have always supported the government and we will continue to do so. When the country settles down, we will engage the women who have been elected so that we forge a way forward for the many members we represent in this country. You are very clear, according to you, that my choice did not succeed. I have said when the country settles down, we shall come back here and talk.
Ningi Maendeleo ya Wanawake ni gathiriri ikinya ria guthurwo kwa atumia ingi makiriturwo-ini cia utongoria undu uyu ukigwetwo ta ikinya ria guteithiriria gukinyaniria maiganania miaka yukite.
We have been able to get 7 governors from 3 single constituencies, 26 from 23. Again, the 47 women representatives. We are not forgetting the MCAs. It is indeed a significant step towards the Kenyan women participation in the 2 houses.
Ngwataniro ino ni heanite kiraniro gia kugia na cikaro na atongoria atumia aria mathuritwo ituro-ini cia utongoria niguo kumenderia mendekithia mao hari gutigirira mabata ma atumia ni marumbuyo.
It's not enough to go to parliament, to go to senate and just be like a club. It is enough to all of us Kenyan women to sit down and say, what is this one thing we want to do? We are number 3 in the world for girls giving birth at 10 years and therefore becoming grandmothers at 20 years. And so we want to sit down and look at the poverty which is with our girls who are very many now.
Ngwataniro ino ikoragwo na mbemba batanyihiirie milioni 2 aingi ao aria atumia aria meyumbite ikundi itanya inene ari gwikuria kiwonjoria. Hadunia Kameme TV ritwera koni mbataru wa Mwangi.